like on their phones, going home, and the lines.
The time is 5:18. Amtrak, P041.
When are you guys headed to
Here at DFB station. The time is 5:19 p.m. Amtrak's P041 here at DFB station.
Ooh, shaving a haircut. Reverse consist with a phase 7 wheel liner. There it is. Here we go, Amtrak P041, clear departure with a reverse consist phase 7 wheel liner. Photo there. No, it's very cool that we have a phase 7 wheel liner and a reverse consist. Like, the reverse consist, it's very old and it hasn't came down to Florida since.
The gates are gone down.
Gates are gone down. Oh, Tri-Rail.
508.
508. Look through the window. Tri-Rail.
Alright, they're ready to park.
Oh, there goes Tri-Rail. And then here goes P041. Nice F40. Alright, here we go, P041. Was that shaving a haircut, yes or no? Alright, there goes that Tri-Rail. He's already cleared departure.
Here at DFB station. With all the humps. Amtrak's P041 here. And then we have Tri-Rail right over there.
Oh, here we go. Clear departure. Fireworks. Oh, you got plenty of rail fenders here. Oh, there he goes with the horn.
Now this Tri-Rail's departing.
He's got horn action over there.
Yeah. The time is 5:41 p.m. Tri-Rails 637 here at DFB station on the SFRTA.
Hurry up,
Got a
dude.
police car waiting at the crossing.
Oh.
Question is.
Oh, there he is.
Okay, I was gonna say hopefully he doesn't do the thing the fire truck did,
Oh.
but no, we're good. He's patient.
If he didn't wait, then.
Could have been.
If he didn't wait, then well, we'd have to leave immediately. Oh.
Nice horn. So.
A5.
Sounds like an F40.
Yeah, F1.
Dimming his headlights. Nice.
Nice dim.
809.
Wait, is it 8 and 9?
Yeah, it's 809.
I think that's 808. No, it is 809.
Clears apart DFB station.
Ooh, nice horn.
Otherwise, he's keeping his headlights and not ditch lights.
Not 5 and.
Alright. The time is 5:48 p.m. Tri-Rails P636.
Oh,
Here at DFB station. Electronic number board 514.
10,001, 10,004, 828. Yeah.
P636.
Oh, we got shown!
Tri-Rail P6.
Here we go now.
Tri-Rail P636 is clear the car.
There we go. There goes the crossings.
Old crossings.
That.
What was in front there?
514.
514 and 514 leading, and 828 in the rear. That was Tri-Rails P636 here at DFB station. Alright, Tri-Rail near us.
That's probably not him.
P639 coming from the south.
South? But there's
Oh.
no. But hold on. Who?
This is not CSX.
Then who on earth is this?
The time is 6:09 p.m. I guess we.
Maybe. Wait, no. P638
Oh,
is.
P639. So this is P639. Sorry, my fault.
Yeah, P639.
Yeah.
No.
Sometimes I confuse direction very badly.
Roger, P639.
Alright, P639 is clear for chip field. Yep. P639 bar left. He's clear for chip field.
Oh, got the flash on him. Oh, shave in the airbag, dry rail, P639. Yo! Exactly, buddy. You predicted it. You predicted it. We gotta shave it a haircut.
507 over here. That was prior.
That was not 507, that was 506.
Yeah, I guess it's 5657. Okay, that was P639. Here, DFB station. Next up should be Amtrak's 97. Here, DFB station. Get our best shots.
Here we go, Amtrak P097. The two view liners at the front. Overrun. The LC42. No, not the buddy, not the flash. No, not the flash. Buddy, no. It's gonna be a flashbang. Not the flash. ALC 42. What the heck? 3, 2, 1. 2 broken sleepers, yeah. Oh, whoa! That's how long he is. All right, here we go. P097, clear departure. I got four. Saddle Little River. Saddle Little River. You got Saddle Little River. You've got empty M fleet, so extra M fleet. Oh.
Are going.
There we go. Oh, tri-rail. Hot rail. That's something you don't really see that necessarily. 505. I ducked. 820. 819.
that one.
Yeah, definitely not. But
So
if we did,
that
fly.
was Stop. Tri-Rail P640 is cleared to depart Deerfield Beach Station.
Heck is Declan doing? God dang. What the heck? Buddy's trying to act like a Homer here.
Okay. Like I said, P640 is departing Deerfield Beach Station.
Nice K-pop LA.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make sure the crossing is clear. That was Tri-Rail's P640 here at Deerfield Beach Station. That should do it for the day, but you never know. So, see you then.